Greetings! I'm glad you joined us for the video on how to find the sum of an infinite summation of 3 times the quantity -8/9 to the k-1 power, and using the formula s is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r, where the absolute value of r is less than 1. Now, in order to use that formula, there's actually some inherent things about the original question that have to be true. So first of all, if I were to list out these terms individually, not the addition, but like the terms that are being added together, we would have a geometric sequence. And if we look at this format, we have 3 times the quantity -8/9 to the k-1 power, and that is our a sub k. So notice it has very familiar characteristics of a geometric sequence, and so we are having that part of it met. The other part that we have to have met is that our absolute value of our common ratio has got to be less than 1. So here our common ratio is that -8/9, and when I look at the absolute value of -8/9, that is a value that's less than 1, because the absolute value of -8/9 is 8/9, which again is less than 1. So we have met that part of it as well. So how do we go about finding these values? Well, the first thing we need to do is to find our a sub 1. And to find a sub 1, that's just plugging 1 in where k is in our formula. So a sub 1 is equal to 3 times -8/9 to the 1 minus 1 power. Well, 1 minus 1 is 0 power. Any non-zero number to the 0 power is 1. So I get a sub 1 is equal to 3 times 1, which is 3. So that's our a sub 1 value. And then we also need our common ratio r, and our common ratio r here again is -8/9. So our sum is equal to 3 over 1 minus -8/9. So I get that sum is equal to 3 over, well, 1 in a common denominator of 9 is 9/9, and minus the negative is plus 8/9. That gives me 3 over 17/9. And when I take a value and divide it by a fraction, I multiply by the reciprocal. So my s is equal to 3 over 1 times, excuse me, sorry about that, it's 3 over 1 times 9 over 17, and I get a sum of 27/17.